T-Mobile 5G home internet gateways, like the Arcadian KVD21 or Nokia FastMile, occasionally need resetting to resolve connectivity issues or optimize performance. There are two main types of resets: rebooting, which includes soft or hard options that clear temporary glitches without erasing your settings, and factory reset, which restores the gateway to its original state, wiping all custom configurations. A reboot should always be your first step. As of 2025, T-Mobile's 5G home internet covers approximately 85% of the US, with recent firmware updates improving latency and speeds. Understanding when and how to perform these resets is crucial for maintaining optimal internet service. Be sure to unplug the device before starting any reset. To reboot, simply unplug the gateway for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This is a soft reboot and resolves minor issues. For a hard reboot, use the device's reset button to force a restart. Consult your device manual for the exact location and procedure. For a factory reset, hold the reset button until the indicator lights cycle, usually around 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this will erase all your custom settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, and you'll need to set up the gateway again using the T-Mobile app or web portal. Remember to try rebooting first, as it is less disruptive. If issues persist after a reboot, then proceed with a factory reset.